In this video, we will study about the basics of HTML. Do you know what these pages are? These are called web pages. A web page is a page containing text, images, audios, videos and links to other web pages. These pages are written using a special language called Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. HTML is very easy to learn and you will enjoy it. Let's see what is HTML. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language used for designing web pages. It is a language that describes the content, format and layout of the web page, how it should be displayed over the World Wide Web. Let's see what is HTML tag. Commands in HTML are known as tags. These defines the structure and appearance of a web pages. All HTML tags are enclosed with angle brackets. For example, body and h1 are different tags. These tags are written inside angle brackets. HTML tags. These HTML tags are divided into two types, that is container tag and empty tag. Container tag is a tag that must require a closing tag. For example, body. Here we have body opening tag and a closing tag. Head. Here for head we have head opening tag and a closing tag. And a tag is closed by putting a forward slash in front of the tag name. Empty tag. Empty tag is a tag that does not require closing tag. For example, BR tag, HR tag. There is no closing tag for BR and HR. Attribute. An attribute is a special keyword used inside the tag to give some additional information about the tag and customize it. For example, a body is a tag and BG color equal to pink is some additional information given to body tag. H1 is heading tag and align equal to center is some additional information given to H1 tag. So let's see the output of this code. The body color will be pink and the heading is aligned to center. Let's see the basic structure of an HTML document. HTML tag. HTML tag identifies the document as a HTML document and it is a container tag. It is having opening and closing tags. The entire code to design a web page is written in between opening and closing HTML tags. We have two sections for writing HTML program, that is head section and body section. The head tag is used to provide some additional information including title about a web page. And it is written inside title tag. Next, body part. The body tag defines the content of a web page. It is also a container tag. All the tags that displays text, images or links as a part of web page are written in between body tags. Next, let's write a sample program to print hello world. First I will write HTML, then head section, then body section and closing HTML. Next we will write the title in between head opening and closing tag. A sample HTML program. Here I am going to write some text in between body tag. Hello world. So let's see what will be the output of this program. See, this is the output. Here is the heading and this is the body part, hello world. Next, let us print some heading. See, I have given here the title, and in the body part I will give hello world as a heading. I am going to write inside H1 tag hello world. So let's see the output. See, now hello world is a heading. So let's print different types of headings. We have different levels for heading. Here I have given only H1, H2 and H3, but we have till H6. And here is the output. So these are the different types of heading. So now we can print heading and paragraph. So all other sections are same here, only in body part we are going to give some changes. H1 heading, then inside P tag I have given paragraph. So let's see what will be the output. See, heading and paragraph is given. See, this is the output. This is how you are going to write HTML programs. So this video was just a sample for writing HTML program. Thank you. Subscribe and click bell button.